guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a different kind of video. This is going to be the very first Seen on TV product testing video na I'm gonna do sa channel ko. I am having a bit of a situation here though. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ita-title ko sa video na to. I just can't come up with an idea. But, you know, the video is just gonna be all about testing Seen on TV products. So, kung meron kayong may isa-suggest na title, please let me know below. Kasi plano ko nang gawin siyang series. And the very first product that I'm gonna feature in this video is the Feel Beautiful UV Light Nail Dryer. So they have the pink and the blue. I got this from Brian_stuff on Instagram. As usual, links will be below. This is, I believe, only 250 pesos. But yeah, it looks like this. So I have mine in pink, obviously. And yun lang yung laman niya sa box. Ito lang. Walang instruction whatsoever. Yeah, meron naman instruction dito. It is made in China. That's the first thing I saw. Oh well, I need battery. Okay, 3 pieces AA alkaline batteries. Okay, I don't have any with me right now, so I'm gonna go get some. Yay! Battery! So I have 3 right here. Ano pa bang kailangan ko? Meron dito instruction on how to install battery, but I'm pretty sure alam natin lahat how to install battery. Nung nakita ko siya sa packaging niya, akala ko parang rubbery. Hindi pala. It's like plastic, hard plastic. So you will put the battery right here. It's the bottom part. Positive, negative, curve. Ah! This is AA. Parang hindi siya mag-fit. Wait. Oh no. Are you kidding me? AA, right? Dude, are you kidding me? Guys, ayaw niya magkasya. Yeah, 3 pieces AA battery. Magkaibang sizes bang AA battery ng Philippines at saka China? Nakakaloka kayo, ha? Guys, hindi siya magkasya at all. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Look at this. What is wrong with you? You know what? I will go ahead and get AAAs. Shoot, natanggal ko na siya sa packaging niya. Papagalitan ako ni Mama. Hindi na namin ito mabibenta. You guys, it's AAA, not AA. My gosh, bakit nila sinabing AA? As in, AA talaga dito. Anyway, wait, hinga muna ako. Okay, so nilagay ko na yung battery. What am I gonna do now? Replace the battery cover according to the arrow direction. Remove the batteries if the product will not be used for an extended period. Okay, so it says here, automatic pressure activates on and off switch. So, basahin ko lang lahat ng nakasulat dito para sure tayo. UV light speeding up the nail drying with a perfect and unique design. Okay? Keep out of reach of children. Keep away from damp environment. No disassembly of the main body by non-specialists to ensure safety. UV light has the function of solidifying the UV curable resin, which is the main element of nail oil. Remove old and dead batteries from product. Okay. So basically, kapag nalagay mo na yung battery, yun na. Pwede na siyang mag-start. So automatic pressure activates on and off switch. Try ko muna ha, kasi automatic pressure daw eh. So parang diinan ko yung dito. No, I don't see it lighting on at all. Wait, that's weird. Saan pressure? Saan? Sabihin mo sa akin. Dito nga. So, okay. Diin na to ha. Wala akong nakikitang nag-o-on dito na UV light, whatever. The UV light is supposed to turn on, right? Meron kasi siyang tatlong maliliit na bulbs dito sa ilalim. I'm not sure if you can see that. And according dito sa drawing, that should light up. And that's gonna be your UV light na magdadry ng nail polish mo. And sabi niya, ma-activate siya kapag naglagay ka ng pressure dito. It's not activating. Hindi nag-on yung ilaw. No, hindi nag-on yung ilaw at all. Ano ba? Let me check the battery again. Tama naman ako. Positive, negative. Again. Okay, we'll see. Okay, it works. Okay. Kailangan mo, na-shock ko doon. Kailangan mo palang talagang ayusin yung battery ng bonggang-bongga. Okay, nag-work na siya. Meron siyang sound na parang aircon na mahina. Look at it. Did you hear that? Aside from the tatlong bulbs, nakikita nyo ito dito, meron siyang parang fan sa loob. Yun yung nagproduce ng hangin. Okay, so I'm gonna paint my nails right now because as you guys can see, wala akong nail polish at all. I'm gonna paint it right now. And then babalik ako mamaya to dry it with this. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'm just gonna paint my nails. I am gonna use this Anny nail polish in the shade Green Meets Mint. I already do have a how I paint my nails video. If you haven't watched that and if you want to watch that, I will leave the link of that video below. But yeah, I am just painting my nails. I decided to paint it 3 coats this time because yung Anny hindi siya ganun ka opaque on me this time. I don't know. I remember the last time I painted my nails with Anny nail polish, it was fine. But yeah, and since nag-apply na ako ng 3 coats, hindi na ako nag-apply ng top coat kasi may 3 coats na ako na nail polish sa nails ko. So yeah. I decided to do just one hand. So, yung kabila ko wala para may magamit ako, diba, sa paghawak-hawak ng kung anik-anik. Literally, katatapos ko lang talaga mag-paint. And I'm gonna turn on my timer. Actually, hindi sinabi dito kung ilang minutes makakadry siya ng nail polish. Siguro observe na lang natin. So, magta-timer na lang ako, guys, para malaman natin kung ilang minutes siya na dry. Okay, so lagay ko muna, wait, this is so hard. Okay, so timer starts now. Okay, wait, mahirap siya kasi yung thumb ko, hindi masasoli. Wait ha, ganyan lang. Okay. Yung thumb ko talaga hindi masali. Paano ba to? Insert ko na lang ng konting ganyan yung thumb ko. Oh, hindi talaga siya masali. Para talaga siyang maliit na fan lang na pinapahanginan lang yung ano mo, yung kuko mo. Yung thumb ko talaga wala nang pag-asa. Hindi talaga masali yung thumb ko. Kasi hindi talaga siya makapasok doon. Mas maganda siguro to kung naka-rest siya sa table. We are at 1 minute right now. Pero yung thumb ko nasa labas pa rin. Siguro bibigyan natin ng 2 minutes. Tingnan natin kung after 2 minutes, magagamit ko na yung kuko ko. Like, fully dry na siya. We'll see. Meron siyang light doon, no? Pero, I'm not sure if the UV light is really doing anything special. I'm pretty sure yung gumagawa talaga ng drying is yung fan. Oh, it's been 2 minutes. Okay, gawin na lang natin 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 7, 8, 9, 30. Okay, stop. That was 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Check natin yung kuko. Oh my gosh, natatakot akong i-touch siya. Perfect din na hindi ko sinali yung thumb ko para ma-compare natin. Wait, tatouch ko ha. Takot ako i-touch. Oh, no. It's not dry. Hindi siya dry, guys. Yung tinouch ko siya, nakita ko yung fingerprint ko. Ulitin natin. I'm just gonna wait 2 minutes and 30 seconds more para maging 5 minutes na siya, and we'll see kung after 5 minutes magiging dry na siya. This is kind of a bummer though kasi yung ginagamit ko na pang quick dry is yung one from Bobby, yung medyo oily. And masasabi ko talaga na after mga less than 10 minutes, let's just say mga 6 to 8 minutes, dry na talaga yung kuko. Like makaka-function na ako. Hindi na makikita yung fingerprint ko sa nails ko with that. And with this, bibigyan ko siya ng 5 seconds. I mean, not 5 seconds. 5 minutes. 1 minute more. We are at 4 minutes right now. 30 seconds more. 10 seconds! Okay, 5 minutes na. Nakakangawit sa kamay yung pag-a-add ng pressure. Hindi lang naman like normal lang na pag ganun mo. Kailangan mo talagang i-diin. Like not naman super diin. Kailangan mo talagang mag-add ng enough pressure. Medyo nakakangawit lang ng fingers. Okay, test na natin. Oh, okay. Okay, now I can say it's dry. Tinatouch ko na lahat ng nails ko. And yeah, it's dry na. Try natin na kapag naanohan siya ng buhok kung mamark yung buhok. Hindi na! Yeah, so yung sa thumb ko, merong mga hair strands, pero sa apat wala na. Oh yeah, I can say na dry na talaga siya, pero hindi pa siya completely dry. I'm pretty sure, like, kapag inopen ko tong bracelet ko from Sophie, meron kasi siyang maliit na crack na kailangan kong ganun sa kuko ko para ma-open. I'm pretty sure, hindi pa siya ganun ka-dry. It's dry to touch. I'm pretty sure masisira siya kapag nag-open ka ng chips. Like, you know, it works. It's just not as fast as I expected. 5 minutes parang para sa akin hindi siya ganun kabilis. If it dried my nails after a minute or two, I would be like, oh my gosh, this is a must-have. Pero again, makukuha ko yung resulta with just fast drying top coat or like my quick dry na ginagamit ko. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Again, let me know guys kung meron kayong mga suggestions na i-title natin sa series na to. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!